Hi friends, it's Sam. Today we're making ourselves feel better with iced coffee. Now this iced coffee is one of my favorite pick-me-up drinks if I'm feeling a little lackluster. It's an Oreo iced coffee, and if you came here to lose weight, you're doing amazing, and I hope you do it. And I wish nothing but health and blessings into your life. However, this, if it factors into your schedule, give it a go. This recipe is if you're looking for a cute way to get Starbucks from home. Oh, do you like my shirt? I'm wearing my shirt. It says authentic, always be yourself. I painted this watercolor myself, and it's for sale on Teespring now. Link in bio. Let's get to it. Like this quick and easy video, give it a thumbs up, thanks, and don't forget to subscribe.